Hello and good morning, friends. So, from this video, we are about to start a second part of statistic. Okay. So, earlier we have completed first part where altogether four lessons we discuss: index, then correlations, regression, and time series. Okay. And accountancy also we have completed first part. I hope you will have practiced all the questions of chapter number 7 what I have suggested. Now in second part of statistics you can see that altogether there are five lessons. Okay, starting with probability, then we have random variable, then we have normal distribution, limit and differentiation. These two lessons are somewhat mathematical chapter. Okay, last two lessons just limit and differentiation. That we will see when to discuss. I don't know, but just now we are starting with the first chapter, that is probability. The concept of probability is like not completely new, because somewhat concept you have studied in your 10th standard. We will go in little depth and in advanced stage of probability in this chapter. Now, before we continue this chapter, let me just give you some information that according to the revised syllabus, that where 30% portion was reduced. So, from this chapter, this entire part of conditional probability and law of multiplication, this portion is eliminated from the syllabus. Now, friends, one thing I will tell you on the basis of my experience. Okay, in the whole chapter of probability, only this part was little difficult. Okay, and this part is eliminated. That means remaining five parts: introductions, random experiment, events, mathematical definition, and law of addition. This is very easy to understand and to prepare. And e part more. So you are lucky in that way કે તમારે easy part તે probability સમજવાનો છે. Okay. So, what is probability? એનો એક બેઝિક કન્સેપ્ટ તમે જુઓ તો many a time, okay, in our day-to-day life, many events occur. We can definitely say for many events, and these events will certainly happen. For example, each person taking birth will die. Fruit freely falling from tree will fall on ground. If the profit per item of a trader is 10, then he will earn profit of 500 by selling 50 items. If a person invests 1 lakh in a nationalized bank and annual rate of return is 7.5%, then interest will be 7,500, etc. These events are certain. Okay, certain means they are going to happen. Okay, એમાં કોઈ doubt નથી. But some events, okay, are such that we cannot definitely say in advance whether they will happen or not. For example, getting head on the upper side after tossing a balanced coin. તમે કોઈન ટોસ કરો તો એમાં હેડ જ આવે એવું તમે કોન્ફિડન્ટલી ન કહી શકો. હા, હેડ આવી શકે, but surely we cannot say. Okay, getting number 3 on upper side when a dice, when a 6-faced unbiased dice is thrown, the newborn baby will be boy. That also cannot be predicted. An item produced in a factory is non-defective. Okay, what will be the total rainfall of certain region in current year? What will be the wheat production in the state in the year? Okay, what will be the result of cricket match played between teams of two countries, etc. We cannot say with certainty that this event will definitely occurs, because these events depends on unknown element which is called chance. Okay, તો આ બધી events જે છે કે where there is doubt whether they will happen or not, these all events are called uncertain event. Okay, and these all events are called events which depends on chance. Okay, we accept that occurrence we accept that occurrence of this event depends on unknown element which is called chance. Such events which depends on chance are called random events. આ એક પહેલો ક્વેશ્ચન તમે આમાંથી નોટ કરો Okay, the event which depends on chance, they are called random event. Probability is used numerically express the possibility of this uncertain event. We shall study the theory of probability, the classical definition of probability, its statistical definition and illustration showing the utility of probability. આ ચેપ્ટરની અંદર આટલું આપણે સમજવાનું છે. તો ફર્સ્ટ થિંગ ઇઝ વોટ ઇઝ રેન્ડમ એક્સપેરિમેન્ટ. તો આ ત્રણ એક્સપેરિમેન્ટ્સ તમને આપ્યા છે, બરાબર છે. એક્સપેરિમેન્ટ નંબર 1, ઓકે, પિક્ચરમાંથી તમને સમજાઈ જશે કે વેન વી આર ટોસિંગ અ કોઈન, તો વેન વી ટોસ અ કોઈન there are two possibilities, either H or T. Okay, but which outcome will occur, that we cannot say confidently. Throwing of dice, okay, 6 side dice બધા જોયા હશે. ઓકે, લૂડો રમતા એને તો ખબર જ હશે. તો 6 પેજ સાઈડની અંદર તમે થ્રો કરો તો ઓન અપર સાઈડ 1 2 3 4 5 6 એમાંથી કોઈ પણ નંબર્સ આવી શકે. એવી રીતના એક નંબર વ્હીલ્સ છે, બરાબર, એને તમે સ્પિન કરો વેર 0 1 2 એવી રીતના રેન્ડમલી મૂકેલા છે 0 થી 9 નંબર્સ. તો ઇફ યુ રોટેટ ધ વ્હીલ, તો આ જે એરો છે એની સામે કયો નંબર આવી શકે? તો there is a possibility that either 0 can come, 1 can come, 2 can come or 9 can come. Okay, so in all this experiment you can see that all outcomes are known, okay, in advance, but which outcome will exactly occur, that we cannot say. So all this experiment, okay, are called random experiment in statistics. So now you can understand the definition of random experiment. Okay, the experiment 1 2 3 shown above are called random experiment. A random experiment is defined as follow. You will write this definition. Okay, the experiment which can be independently repeated under identical condition and all its possible outcomes are known, but which of the outcome will appear cannot be predicted with certainty, okay, before conducting the experiment, is called random experiment. The following characteristic of random experiments can be deduced from its definition. કયા એક્સપેરિમેન્ટને રેન્ડમ એક્સપેરિમેન્ટ કહેવાય? Random experiments can be independently repeated under almost identical condition. All possible outcome of random experiments are known, but which of the outcome will appear, that cannot be predicted. The random experiment results into certain outcome. When the experiment is performed, the final outcome will be certain. So આ બધા experiments જે છે they are called random experiment. Now if random experiment is known, then on the basis of that we can discuss further part of probability. Okay, તો એ નેક્સ્ટ લેક્ચરની અંદર we will discuss what is sample space અને આગળનો પાર્ટ જે છે એ આની પછીના વિડીયોમાં આપણે ડિસ્કસ કરશું. ઓકે, ચલો, થેન્ક યુ.